Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a stunning pop-out text effects using only Canva like this. And it's no Photoshop needed. This is a perfect for thumbnails or posters or social media graphics that really grabs attention. So let's get started. First, open your Canva and create a blank design. In this tutorial, I'm using a landscape layout like this. But feel free to choose any size that suits your projects. Now go to the elements. And search for frames. This one. In this part, you can use either shape frames or letter frames. But for this tutorial, I will use letter frames to recreate the design before. And in this tutorial, I will make a words camera. Once you have added your frames, just arrange them to form the word that you want, like this. Maybe like this. Then in this step, I will add a rectangle shapes too. After that, just upload your photo and place it behind the text, just like this. Maybe like this. Then fill its letter frames with the same photo. Grab and position each one so they align perfectly with the background image, like this. Just tap on the frames and then tap replace. Add the photos and go to the crop. This one. Then set the photo same as the background. Like this and done. And repeat these steps on other letters. Next, click on the main photo behind the text and then remove the background. If you are using a Canva Pro, just use the background remover, this one. But if you are on the free versions, just go to the apps and then search for background eraser. Just search for background eraser, this one. So let's remove the background. Once the background is removed, position the cutout image on top so it looks like popping out the text. Just tap to front, like this. And you can even add shadows to make it more realistic and give it an extra depth. Just go to the effects, and then shadow, and then choose glow. Like this. For the final touch, feel free to add aesthetic background, some extra text or decorative elements to make your designs even more creative. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.